The word cosmetics is from the Greek word kosmos, meaning to adorn. The global beauty industry is growing by up to 7% every year. Plastic and cosmetic surgery is a $20 billion a year business. Medieval women would swallow arsenic to improve their skin complexion. Cosmetics are symbolic of a civilization with practical concerns, i.e., beauty. The first patent of nail polish was in 1919, and the first colour was a faint pink colour. The first swivel-up lipstick was in a tube and appeared in 1923. During the Middle Ages, the Catholic Church taught that makeup was sinful. In Spain, in the 18th century, women ate clay to maintain a porcelain-like complexion. To make your eye color pop, contrast your eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara with the color of your eyes. Fish scales are often added to lipstick and eyeshadows to make them glimmer. China is considered the birthplace of nail polish and can be dated back to around 3000 BC. Face creams have been made from things like caviar to extreme items like snail slime.